Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the brightness on the HP Omen Transcend 14. And you can do it in two different methods. The first one is by clicking on the control center, then adjusting the brightness bar manually. And that's pretty simple, but I think the more convenient way is clicking on the keyboard. So as you may notice on your keyboard, there is the F2 and F3 button. They are both for adjusting the brightness of your screen. And if the FN button isn't lighting up, then in order to use them, you need to click on FN combined with either of these keys. But if you want to be able to click on them separately without the FN button, you need to first enable FN lock, which in order to enable, click on FN and shift at the same time. Then if the FN lights up, now I can use them without the FN key in order to change my brightness. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.